Hi, how's it going, folks? So, the Violence Against Women Reauthorization Act of 2021 is currently being discussed in the Senate, and this particular bill has a number of gun control measures in it, to include red flag laws. Now, obviously, we know my position on this. I think that the bill should be just cut, period, voted out, not even brought up again. However, I'm not going to focus on this bill in its entirety. What I am going to focus on are the red flag laws. I know I've discussed red flag laws in the past on this channel, but what I don't think I've covered is how bad it can be for people, even if you don't own a firearm, even if you never wanted to own a firearm, and even if you think guns should be banned. So I'm going to start again by saying what a red flag law is, or an extreme risk protective order is another term they use for it. Basically, what these are is somebody believes somebody else to be a threat. They go to the court. The defendant is not there, is not present, does not even know this case is going on, and like pretty much every single circumstance, from what I'm aware of. Well, basically, the plaintiff goes in. They don't have to present that they suspect the defendant of having committed a crime. They don't have to suspect the defendant of planning out a future crime that they will commit. They don't even have to suspect this person will commit a specific crime in the future. All that's needed to be proved is, and by the way, usually with a preponderance of evidence, which is the lowest standard of evidence out there, that this person may be a danger to themselves or others. So, once that is made, the judge issues an extreme risk protective order, or a red flag. Usually, this is accompanied by the police going to the defendant's home and searching their home and confiscating any firearms there in their home. Now, depending on which state and how the police are in that particular jurisdiction, it could be anything from a simple knock on the door to a no-knock raid. However, rest assured, they're not sending happy fun time counselors or social workers. They're sending armed police, and these armed police have it in their mind, potentially dangerous person, potentially with a firearm. Now, if you can imagine what that does already, it sets up for a very bad situation as is to begin with, especially if you send somebody, the police out there in the dead of the morning, when somebody is just fast asleep and they're barely getting up. We've actually had people get shot this way. And of course, obviously being in like the dead of the morning, dark out still, you come to the door and you say, have your cell phone or something else in your hand, and the police can't tell what it is, there's a good chance they're going to treat it as if it's a firearm. And there's a good chance that you're going to be potentially shot and potentially killed. That has happened in some circumstances. Furthermore, I know that there are going to be some people, but like, I don't own a firearm. Well, police don't know that. They're going to respond with, well, if we had a national gun registry, well, that's not going to change anything either. And every single country with a national gun registry, they have the tip line open for people who have unregistered guns. And even in the UK, the police still from time to time find illegally possessed guns, aka unregistered guns. So, no, National Gun Registry is not going to help you. You could say, well, well, with that and the fact that I'm a gun control activist, even, and they're going to say, well, no, we've caught plenty of gun control activists breaking gun laws in the past. And I know this is true in this country, and it wouldn't surprise me to find out it was true in other countries too. So, yeah, these laws are not good for anybody. So, with that being said, I'm hoping that everyone is going to oppose the Violence Against Women Reauthorization Act. And I'm hoping that if other people see this video, they will think and say, wow, maybe red flag laws, these extreme risk protection orders are not a good idea. Thank you all for watching. Y'all take it easy out there and have a great day.